Most commonly asked interview question in JavaScript. How setTimeout 0 works? What is difference in setTimeout 1000 millisecond versus 0 milliseconds? SetTimeout in JavaScript is a function that allows you to execute a specified function or a piece of code after a specified delay in milliseconds. When you set the delay to 0 milliseconds using setTimeout, it doesn't mean the function will execute immediately if you think this is the correct output, but it is wrong. Instead, it schedules the function to run as soon as the main thread becomes idle. So this is the correct answer. If we observe here, setTimeout 0 is executed first, then setTimeout 1000 millisecond is executed next, because setTimeouts will be in increasing order. Follow for more videos.